Day. We are headed back to the grocery store. I need to take out my trash, find something for dinner. So y'all gonna come along with me? It is now 10:22. I showed you guys this outfit in another video. Here's the outfit. I actually made me some tea this morning. It's still hot, baby. It's still hot. I can't take a real sip, but it'll been to cool down by the time we make it to the store. Grab me a muffin. I don't know if you guys tried these muffins. As you can see, I done tore them up. I only got one left. These are the blueberry muffins from a store called Food for Less. Normally, like muffins, I love them because the muffin, like for the muffin top part, but because that's normally the soft part, but the whole thing is soft. 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. Take this with me. And I'll probably take some cheeses too. And a bottle of water. I don't know, I like to have liquids and a little bit of snacks, so I don't have to keep stopping. We'll have to stop somewhere to get things. So I'll see you guys when we get downstairs. All right, guys, we have made it to the store. I'm excited. I have hope. I did bring my ornaments. I'll show you guys once we get in the store so that we can actually do like a color match. Oh, I like how this pink look. It's actually like this color that I'm looking for and like a hot pink. I got some hope. I looked at some TikToks, I looked at some YouTube videos, and people have said that they have gone to the at-home store. I'm sure we're gonna find something. Okay, so they go to the store. Maybe the sun is out. Y'all see that sun? Ooh, that tea's hot. Okay. I think I drank it too fast. Jeez, I probably drink my water now. Ooh, it's a Chick-fil-A over here too. A little crispy deluxe. Never do your girl wrong. $8 muffins, so we don't need lunch right now. It is now 11:25. It's about lunchtime, but I'm going to the store first and then let's get y'all. Let's go. It feels pretty good out here. This jumper feels good too. Like it has like that warm material inside, not to make you sweat, but you know, it feels good. Ooh, look at this. As soon as you come in the store, baby, look at this. I can't wait to get it home. Like I could decorate like outside and everything. It make me want to get this tree. The little boxes. Merry and bright. Let's go on that side. Wait. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute. We need a house. Do you hear me? Let's step back so y'all can get the full feel. Look at that. They know how to set it up. We're still like setting up right now. Goodness, I wish I had a house. Oh, look at the gingerbread. Look at that. That is so stinking cute. Listen, I couldn't even make it in the store. And that was the first thing they had set up. That's how they get you. You come in for one thing, and then you see a display, and you be like, I need that. Okay, so this looks like what I need. Okay. You can go. I'll raise it up. Okay, so this is getting closer to the color that I need. Like this color. What is this? This is a tabletop tree. It's $24.99. This is really pretty. Okay, so this is the dilemma I'm having. Okay, so you guys went with me when I went shopping at Walmart. This is the color pink that I was really wanting to do, which is this, right? This hot pink. These are the shades that I want to do. A hard time finding ornaments this color, and then finding pillow covers this color. But this is making me want to just switch to this berry type of red. Because I have at home. I took them off the couch so I could try to color match. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck. Because they have literally like a variety, as you can see, of things to choose from with the shade. But I want these three colors so bad. But it's not looking too good, y'all. Okay, how about we go look at the pillow covers, match this stuff. If it matches this stuff, then we just gonna swap and do that. Because I know I have the pillow covers and then I also have the ornaments. So, oh my God, this stuff is so cute. But, so that we're not just buying things and then have to keep taking it back, that's what we're gonna do. I know. Look at all these little trinkets. Like, all this is pink. Okay, so we're gonna go try to find a pillowcase. Pillowcases first. Whoa, look at this. Baby, give me a yard. Where can you put this stuff at, child? Look at these, y'all. They got blueberries. And we got the little ones up there. So cute. Because I can easily just buy this stuff. Then it's like, okay, now Jessica, you got a house full of pillows already. That's red. What color is this one? This one is black. Now, look at that. Y'all probably can't see it, but we're going to go back down the aisle. So I'm trying to stay focused. Wait. Maybe it's the end with the sheets. Look at the gingerbread house. Let's see. I'm trying to stay on task. Then you got standard white, blue, yellow, gray. I'm a little frustrated now because I'm not finding what I'm looking for. This is it.
Something like that, or is that too not pink enough for you?
It's not pink enough?
I agree. I agree with you.
I got these at home, but I'm trying to get this
and
color.
There's only two in the same color.
Dang it. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Thank you for looking for me.
Yeah, no problem. Good luck.
Thanks. He tried. Can't find none, y'all. We go to pink, but we don't need no full bed set. These are $4.99. Cups, $2.99. It looks like hot chocolate. Cheers. It's cute too. $6.99. As you can see, my energy has changed. I was on the hunt and I was doing good. I was finding items that I'm like, oh, these are cute, this is cute. And I can't find the pillowcases. This is the important part to me. So instead of making an impulsive decision and switching everything up, I've decided to walk down to Kohl's. This is in the same lot. See what I can find here before I give up. There we go. I'm gonna try Walmart. Maybe it's warming up. It's getting a little toasty now. Now steps in. I wonder how many steps I'm gonna reach today. I try to do between 5,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Have y'all started your Christmas shopping yet? Christmas decor. 12:38. And my lip is sweating. Baby, she done walked to the wrong car. I just saw her across the street. Baby, she just walked up. She's about to pull my door. Grandma, what you doing? Oh, she found the right car. I'm about to try to sneak up on my cousin. She don't know we in the same store. Her location says she here. Where's she going? Let me just call her. I'm not here, let's go. Where you at? You said who? Trying to come in here and pop up on you, and you done left her. I said, say she there, I can't find her. And then I'm like, wait a minute, the circle just disappeared. Did she get about this stuff? Really? Really? I just left the at-home store, and I went to Kohl's. I still can't find what I'm looking for. I'm about to quit. These little gingerbread. $7.99. These are cute. I think we're gonna add this to the gingerbread collection. I think you should go home with me. Oh, look at the tree skirt. Come on. Oh yeah, this is the perfect pink. I'm taking the other one back. Look at these bows. Bacon, egg, and cheese. That's super cute. They done remodeled and showed out. I love it. Burlington's. I went to a location yesterday. They did not have all of this stuff. Look at this. So cute. This is a twin set. That's cute. I had a little daughter. I'll do this for her. But your girl ain't got no kids right now, so put that bed. Get the light. Good in yourself?
Are you getting ready?
Mm-hmm. I've been taking my stuff every store color matching. You think it's gonna blend good with this?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. This was what I was on the hunt for. Pillowcases, that color. Excited.
You have that set up and you take a picture. You see me here, you show me.
Okay. I'm making a TikTok, so I should have a video for you when I come back.
Perfect.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Baby, listen. When I tell y'all, I'm hot. I can't get my mask off. I'm hot, tired, and hungry. Oh, I need that bottle of water. I'm glad I left it in the car frozen. Because your girl is thirsty. But I think I got some good stuff. I was a little sad earlier when I couldn't find the perfect shade. But I think we came to a conclusion of how things can still work out. Gotta tweak it a little bit. But, oh, look at that sun, y'all. That's why I'm hot. Y'all see that sun? Ooh. It was frozen when I left the house. Look at it now. This is what I need. Ooh, come on, baby. Woo, baby. I was going to go to Target to look for these Halloween. Man, who's doing it like that? To look for these Halloween pajamas, but the way my feet set up, I was tired, okay? How many steps I got in today? 2,777 steps. Y'all probably can't see that all the way up there.